What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name's Trevor. Today I am at the ranch. We're cleaning out pens, giving bedding to the heifers and cows and calves. We just finished cleaning out this pen right here, the replacement heifer pen. These heifers later in the summer and into the fall will be in pasture with a bull, and then they'll come back as bred cows, and we'll either keep them and calve them or sell them as bred cows at a sale. And over here, just finished cleaning up this pen too. This is the not calved cows yet, so they're gonna be a little late. Just finished cleaning up along there. Well, these ones will be calving, some of them will be calving right away here in the second cycle. We'll start calving in the next week or so. And then this pen over here, or walk over here. This pen over here is the cow pen. So this is the cow-calf pair pens. Most of these calves are steers. These are all of them. All the nice calves in here. Mix of Charolais, Red Angus, Black Angus, some Herefords in here too. Good mix of cows. Got 3 bales for each pen. This pen, the replacement heifer pen, and the cow-calf pen. Put this whole bale in this pen. Now we're gonna spread in the cow-calf pen. Little calves over there. You can hear the cows singing in the background. That one calf is standing on the hill. When you put the twine, you don't have to cut the twine off when you put the bales in there, because there's a compartment that winds up all the twine in there, or net wrap, and then you cut it off once you're done, once it's full. So you don't have, takes all the pain away from cutting off every string off every bale. Last pen of bedding. The replacement heifer pen. get attacked with some straw, but well, bye. That'll wrap up this video for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.